Okay, I will ask about filming in Walking Street. I will ask Barangay and also police. I talked already with active. They said don't have right now document, but it's like they said please now strict right now in the Red Street. I understand. If they don't want, why I need filming in the Walking Street if they don't want, even if don't have any document. That's why I stop filming in Walking Street. I can, of course. But yes, I can. I can hide camera, but I don't like. Because if something happen with me, I need only go to police station. No one in Walking Street, Red Street, no one help me. I think police of course help me, but don't have police right now inside. Okay, we can walk in the Fields Avenue and show to you right now what's new, so noisy. Sorry, microphone forgot. I forgot my microphone. So you already understand why I'm not filming in the Red Street Walking Street.
Don't take video. For
Right?
privacy.
Me, I can
For privacy of the hour.
not allow.
It's okay to
Even here not allowed. Why?
because the viewers can see the girl.
Girls, where girls? We not go to inside Walking Street. We just only filming here and talk about filming.